Good morning, boys and girls. Today for science, we're going to be working on our living and non-living. I'm just going to show you some pictures and you're going to be telling yourself, is it living or is it non-living? And then after this, you're going to do a Nearpod, which is like when you do the questions online, and you're going to answer some of the things that they need and to live, okay, for the living things. This picture behind me, these are animals. We see an elephant, a horse, a fish, a snake, and so on. These boys and girls, we already know that this would be a what? Would it be a living or non-living thing? Correct, it would be a living. They can breathe, they eat, okay? So this would be living. Next one, we see a tree, a cactus, plants. Are all of these plants living or not living? They're living, boys and girls. Yes, they're taking in the sun. They need water to live, right? Okay, next one. Socks. Are these living or non-living things? Non-living. Good job. They don't need water. They don't need food. They don't need shelter. They don't need anything, right? Next one. What is this, boys and girls? A table, yes. Is this a living or a non-living thing? Correct, boys and girls. It is a non-living thing because it doesn't need air, it doesn't need water, it doesn't need food like plants, like animals do. Next one. This is a family, a man, a woman, a boy, and a girl. Do you think these are non-living or living things? Yes, humans, people, us, we are living things. We need air, we need food, we need water, we need shelter, we need space. We are living things, right? Good job. What is this, boys and girls? A car, yes. And is the car a living or a non-living thing? Good job. It's a non-living thing. It doesn't need water. It doesn't need food. It doesn't need shelter. It doesn't need air. So it's a non-living thing. Good job, boys and girls.